How to get best Cengage promo code. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how or where you can get the best working promo code for your educational courses, specifically for Cengage. So first things first, before you go ahead into their official site, you just need to create a new tab in your current browser or your preferred browser, and then you're going to have to go into simplycodes.com. So once you're here, go into this search tab and type in Cengage. So it should be showing 0 here, but what you will have to do is just to click it and you will have a lot of options that you can choose. So these codes right here was just recently used a day ago, 3 days, even 23 hours ago. For you to choose on this one, you just need to make sure that you fully understand the rules and the description of the code that you're going to be using, and click on show code for you to copy the unique code and then paste it into Cengage. And that's it. That's how you get best working Cengage promo code.